Welcome to another episode of fixing stuff which will be easier and cheaper just to buy new. As you can see, this wheel is broken, so I decided to repair it. But first I need to take it apart. Okay, so this part is pretty okay, I can reuse it, but this part is totally broken, so I need to print a new one. My plan is to get all the crucial dimensions and reprint this part, but I think it would be the easiest option to print it in two halves and then glue it together, or maybe use some screws from here to really hold it tightly together. Measuring time. Okay, I have all the crucial dimensions. Now it's time to go to the Fusion 360 and design this part. As usual, at first I just print a prototype because it is hard to get all the dimensions right at the first time. Okay, so this is my test print. Let's see how it works. This part should go here, and this is a nice tight fit. And this part goes here, and it is also a pretty nice fit. I also print 6 holes for screws. Let me quickly get some. So they should go 3 from this side and 3 from the other side, and that should hold the hub really well. Now I should be able to print it in PETG, but first let's check the center hole dimension, and it is a little bit too tight. The final version should have a little bit bigger central hole. Let's fix it in Fusion 360 and print the final part.
Two hours later.
And here it is, the final print made in PETG. Let me check the center hole size. And this is perfect. So now it's just a matter of screwing everything together and it should be ready to go. Let's do line holes with screws. Left. I think once. So this is it. I think it's ready to be mounted.